These heat transfer tea towels are one of my favorite projects this month. I think the cut file is adorable, but choosing the colors really brought these to life. They look festive in my kitchen. Begin by resizing the file according to your size of tea towel. After doing this, cut your pieces out with your Cricut or Silhouette machine. There are lots of tiny details, but it cut out beautifully. Next, weed away all the excess material for your pieces. I like to go slow and keep a sharp angle as I'm pulling to ensure that my cuts pull away extra clean. The tiny circles and details will want to stick to everything, so be careful as you weed. Once you've weeded everything, lay your pieces on top of each other to ensure that you aren't missing anything. I also like to lay this on top of the towel to help with placement. Preheat your iron according to the instructions on your packaging. I needed the cotton setting, which I found is fairly standard. I press the towel first to get the wrinkles out. Simply place the heat transfer pieces on the towel and press firmly for 10 to 20 seconds. Because there are so many layers, each layer will take less time. Repeat the process until you've completed the design. And that's it. Please tag me at Carina Gardner Ink Club if you make these so I can share them. Happy holidays!